Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna cover spacer widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here I have a column and its main axis alignment set to center. Inside the children, I'll write a container with the fixed height and width of 150 pixels. And in the color, I'll set it to light purple color. If I save the code, we can see our container on the screen. Now to understand the spacer widget better, I'll copy this container and paste it below with a black color. Then I'll paste it one more time and set the color to light green. Once I save it, you can see 3 containers on the screen. Now I want to add spacing between them. There are multiple ways to add spacing between the widgets. First, if I change the main axis alignment from center to space between, you will notice that the first container moves to the top, the last one moves to the bottom, and the middle container stays in the center. This approach is useful when you want to distribute space equally between items along the main axis. Now let's see how we can achieve spacing using the spacer widget. So I'll remove the main axis alignment property, and then between the last 2 containers, I'll add a spacer widget. Once I save it, you will see the first 2 containers moves to the top and the last one moves to the bottom corner. If I add another spacer between the upper containers and save the code, now it is behaving same as space between property. Spacer also has a flex property. By default, its flex value is 1. If I set flex to 2, now this spacer will take twice space compared to the first spacer. If I increase the flex value to 5 and save it, you can clearly see that it occupies even more space between the containers. One thing to keep in mind, don't use spacer when you have wrapped your page inside single child scroll view. That's the spacer widget in Flutter. I've dropped the source code link in description.